Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. If you're looking for all things paper mache, you have come to the right channel. This week, we're going to continue along with the paper mache jewelry tutorials, and we're going to show you how to make the paper mache earrings and the paper mache ring. Now for this paper mache earring, what I've done is I did do a multicolor at the front with a solid gray at the back. And I wanted to just show you this. So this is called either finding of the earring. This part is called a finding or earring wire. Now for anyone that has a shorter neck, you can use a short one with just a ball, because you can see both of these earrings are visually, they still have the same junk ring size, but the findings are different. So this finding actually has a shaft right here, which makes the earring longer and more suited for someone that has a long neck. Now also for my rings, I created this one to match my earring, which I made after, but then I made some kind of funky ones. My husband's not interested in these, but I thought they were cool. Like, look at that. So I wanted to show you guys how to do that, and then we'll get into more unique rings later on. But if you want to see how I made the paper mache earrings and the paper mache ring with resin, keep on watching. For the best creative DIY craft content, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts that you are able to join. Now it's your turn. So this week, guys, we're going to be making the paper mache earring and paper mache ring. So I made this first because I just wanted to make sure that I was doing it correctly. And I wanted to make sure that when you're creating your own paper mache ring, you want to remember that you want to wash your hands when you have it on. So make sure that you're also putting the UV resin all around all cracks and the top part and the bottom. So I'm going to show you now how I created these. They're really cool. I'm going to link the video on how to make paper mache here. Now you do need something that has your ring size. This is a little bit bigger than my ring finger, but once the paper mache dries, it will shrink. You do need to ensure that you have saran wrap wrapped around here. And you can also actually make rings. The first time that I did it, I created rings all the way down. So you can literally put your saran wrap this around and then cut it. I check my back first. If you want your back flat, then file it down so that it's flat. I'm gonna leave mine just so that it has all those edges on there. And I went and I found some of the light colors and I just sand them, because sometimes the dark color will change the light brown color. So just check. Now for this part of the video, you are going to need a UV resin glue. And this one says UV resin hard, UV curable resin solution hard glue. And then you're also going to need a UV LED nail lamp. So that's the one that I have. And you're going to also need a paintbrush. Sorry, you will need sandpaper, I forgot. Once you have this portion here, you want to go to your back, because you want to have the ring on and be able to bend. I can't bend because that part there is sticking out. So you want to cut off anything that's going to hamper, and you don't have to necessarily cut it. I just did mine thin enough that I'm able to cut it. You can sand it also, and you're going to sand this down. So guys, I wanted to just interrupt this session just to let you know we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Boy, it's been hard, but it's a long haul. Sometimes you think YouTube's easy, but it's not. So I want to thank all of you guys for watching my content, commenting down below. Comments and likes are really important with YouTube. It actually helps you get pushed in the algorithm so more people can see. So I'd like to just thank you guys. Before we hit the 1,000, I wanted to give a little thank you and hi to all my new subscribers. So let's get back into the video. Just two combination to show you how you can mix yours together. The paper mache colors that we're going to be using today is this, and it's a regular newspaper paper mache. I'll link the video on how to make that here. And all I did was added red and pink acrylic paint. This one is a brown paper bag one, and I added brown paper. And then this one, so here are the three, and these are all the brown paper, one with a lot of bleach put in, a little bit of bleach, and then a little bit less. And this one here, I added the black acrylic paint. So what I've done is I put my paper mache, rolled it out, and added my colors where I wanted it to go. Now for this particular one, what I've done is I actually made one of my grays paper mache porcelain clay. I'm not going to show you how to do this. This is a test, but I want to put it on the back. I'm going to lift this up. For your ring paper mache, your clay must be moist, so when you put it on, it's not cracking. So guys, for my earring, I think I'm going to use this shape. I just have to get scissors. I'm going to cut around this. I think this would look really beautiful with gold flecks in it. Now that you know how to make the paper mache earring and paper mache ring with resin, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, I do have that Facebook page where you are able to upload any DIY craft content. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out any of my paper mache tutorials next, and my upcoming video that will be posted next Tuesday. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you next week.